herbal drug medicine. In this, we'll study about the herbs are basically used as an raw material for make the herbal formulation, solid, liquid, or semi-solid. Present scope is like basically it is lesser toxic and has more effect and easily available and affordable. Herbal like popularity has been increasing nowadays, and raw materials are being used of herbal drugs that for making the herbal preparations and as well as synthetic preparations. These are the popularity of the drug in Indian herbal market and about the international herbal market, how it is growing. Now the various factor material for the semi-synthetic preparation, for example plasmid steroid like diogenin, it is used for formulation of corticosteroid hormone and various hormones. Active constituent of herbal medicines act as a precursor for like making many biological substance and all. So the microorganism also used, for example, streptomycin genus is used for formulation of various kind of medicines like chlorophenicol, tetracycline, and all. Increasing research and development in phytochemistry like TLC, HPLC better like than the TLC. These are basically performed. With this help, we can easily isolate the various constituent like new APIs we can form. In molecular biology as well, there is important use of herbal drugs. In genetic engineering as well, recombinant DNA technology and secondary metabolites are being used. Modern herbal medicines like phytosomes are being used. Now brief account for the plant industry that have been involved in the medicines. Aromatic India, Zoic Pharmaceutical, Mohali, Dabur India, Hamdard Laboratories, Bednath Pharmaceuticals, Himalay Herbs, Charak Pharmaceuticals, Vico Laboratories with Divya Pharmacy. These are like basically the institution or the limited. Now the plant-based institutions are this sex institution are given. We have to learn, right? Now the basic GMP principle, we can say that there should be like say skilled staff should be skill certified, no herbal medicine, hygiene and all that we had learned in GMP protocols. Now the manufacturing plant should have adequate supply, manufacturing process area should be different, QC section should be available, finished good storage facility officer, and reject the good and drug store, right? Now the general requirements are local and surrounding. We have to check before setting this industry and all factory. Building should be like hygienic and all. Raw materials taken from the trusted vendor. Water supply, disposal waste, container should be clean. They should be stored. Raw material, about the raw materials like different origin, packaging material, finished goods, and the batch, and on this should be given.